Hello guys, so we're heading to Dantas Square now. Yep, I met Shmi and he signed a car that is inspired by his Ford GT, the one I custom made. And yeah, he was so amazed by it. It wasn't perfect, it was just like not particularly the same, but it was inspired by his Ford GT. That's why he was so happy. I think I was included in his video, so we're gonna wait for that. So, well, I waited for this for 2 years, and at least it pays off. So we're going to Dantas Square now, heading there. We've been here since 8 a.m. because they say it will start at 10 a.m. but it's already 11 and they haven't left Bay Street until now, so we have time to go to Young in Dantas Square to get a good spot and watch the start of the rally. So see you guys later. So we're almost there. So as you can see, they closed the road. This is Young and Dantas. So I'm gonna show you guys. Ta-da! So we're almost there. We're almost there at the starting grid, starting line, where they're gonna, the flag will be dropped. I don't know if they started already or they haven't started yet. Let's see. We're in the middle of it. So that's the starting grid.
David Hasselhoff, the man, the myth, the legend. Let him feel you. Give it up for the Hawk. Here is Gumball 3000. Mr. Gumball, Maximillion Cooper. Give that flag away. Release. Of course, Ontario's favorite son, Dead Mouse in the place. Release the Kraken. Let's get it going here. Please welcome the First Lady of Gumball, EVE, in the place to be. That's how we do it, from the bottom to the top. Toronto, how you feeling out here? It's a beautiful day. Let's get this rally underway. France. Hello, Toronto. We've got 10 minutes until the start flag waves. Mr. Hasselhoff, the Hawk, is waving the start flag in literally at 12:30. So drivers, head back to your cars, get ready, and we'll pull you forward one by one. You'll be parading into the square, and then underneath the gantry down here. Look at this, He's a